Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about the xPass by Pundi X. The xPass card is a contactless smart card that lets you store and transfer cryptocurrencies. The xPass is usable with any XPOS device. A good thing also to keep in mind is that the xPass works together with the XPOS and the X wallet. This means that you need to connect it to the X wallet in order to spend your digital assets. Essentially, your xPass works similar to Apple Pay. The key difference is that Pundi X is trying to make it easier to bring personal asset management back to the user So this just goes back to cryptocurrencies as a whole, which is, or I guess the motto of cryptocurrency, which is basically be your own bank. This is essentially what they're trying to do. You know, you manage your own funds, your own assets right then and there. Which key feature of the XPOS system is that it also serves as an exchange, which you can sell and buy assets on the XPOS device itself. And if you're not familiar with the XPOS device or the X wallet, you can refer back to some of my earlier videos. They cover that a little bit more, so you can get familiarized with the XPOS and the X wallet, and it'll just show you where Pundi X is headed as a whole, and they're definitely paving or helping pave the road to mass adoption, like I've explained in my other videos. But that pretty much covers it for the xPass, because there's not really much to it. Essentially, the xPass is similar to a debit card, which we're all familiar with, so you can kind of see how the xPass would work, just with more assets, digital assets to manage. And right over here we have the bonus content. If you're new to my channel, this is just something that I like to do at the end of every video, kind of just like showing you guys that the whole cryptocurrency ecosystem is moving forward, and there's definitely good news and good things that we keep hearing or seeing happen. I like to put it at the end as a bonus content. Sometimes it doesn't necessarily have anything to do with the actual with the main point or the main focus of the video, but it's still nonetheless just showing you how, again, how we're moving forward and where things are getting done in this space. But this was just a quick one right here. This is just basically John McAfee saying, basically showing some love for a project that's going to be launched on the Tron blockchain. And basically the project is Vibrabid. Is basically an upcoming decentralized content sharing platform, and it's just John McAfee. It's a big figure, like, you know, he's well known in general, and in the crypto space he's definitely known because he's beginning to support it more and things like that. But here we have it. Check the declassified release of third stage in development. We didn't want to release, but had to show the people what we are doing. And that's the Vibrabid. And then this is his tweet saying, "I do love this." So basically, he's just letting us know, hey, like, I like the sound of this. This is looking very interesting. And this is going to be done on the Tron blockchain. So it's just also very good for Tron TRX. So that's just my extra bonus content right there. Again, if you enjoy these videos and if you want to keep updated with crypto news, and if you would like to see more Pundi X videos and crypto as a whole, I release videos every day on Eastern Time, Standard Time at 9 a.m. So if you just want to keep updated with that, just know that we're going to have those coming out every day at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.